Di ba makaka-trade dito?
Try nga eh. Pwede yata. Pwede. Ay, hindi.
Wala. Okay, food check guys, food check.
Wala, walang trade.
Lemon pre tandaan mo pre yung lineup nila. Hindi mo pa alam yung lineup nila pre. Hayaan mo lang mag-crap ng sikas na mga defensives mo.
Clap din sila, clap.
Clap din ba sila? Okay, walang capture
Oo. Okay, come southeast. Pwede pala dito mag-check.
Scout ko na, scout ko.
Come southeast. Move with me southeast. Dito tayo sa Metro.
Dito sila.
Nasa
May ping.
Sige, bas.
Star center. Clap and roll sila. Naka, clave.
Replay. Okay, come. Hold southeast. Roger, too deep. Just let them come. Hold southeast.
Looking na sila.
Yeah. Okay, stop. Defense. Okay. Clap. Go back southwest. Okay. Kill them. Okay, get ready. I'm going to engage 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage on me. Engage yung squad.
Wala.
GA.
Okay, come back southeast. Come back southeast. Go south. Come south, guys. Go ahead of me. Go ahead of me, guys. Just hold. Okay, defense. Okay, miss. Okay, get ready. I'm going to engage 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage on me now.
GA.
Nice. Okay, go back. Hindi tayo nakakapag-clap din sa sila eh. Parang sagutan lang eh. Okay, just hold. Come west. No, never. Right. Okay, look at that.
Overroll sila sa over.
Go over ata sila. Just hold. Okay, they're looking. Defense. No.
Peke.
Okay. Going to engage. Engage on me. Look at me. I'm going to engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside me now. Okay, come back south. East. Come back south. Okay, balance. Come back south. East. Okay. Just go back south. East. Defense.
One-tap ako.
Call dito. Reset. Wait lang. Using ko call. Pangit.
Ganda ng ano nila, GA nila.
Nai-stop. Halata din yung engage ko. Wait. Bay na balat.
Roar pre, pwede kang magbabad. Si Roar pre, naka night armor yan pre. Pwede siya magbabad. Pwede naman, di ba ikaw nagsabi? Tapos, hayaan mo siya mag-bust stacks para by the time na magko-call ka. Naka full stack siya. Tapos wag ka doon sa terrain na yun pre, naka-reclaim sila eh.
Mount up guys.
On top of, nasa ko sila, kasabay ko sila.
Wala akong mahanap na.
Hindi ko pwede magamit pala itong mount sa sorry.
Yung may Okay, let's start here. Dismounted with dismounted.
Dito pa sila.
Nag-repo.
Hindi, dismounted lang.
Sige.
Gawin yung nila, ditang nila, mag-scout yung ditang nila.
Okay, come.
Yung mga defensive nyo rin.
Okay. Just follow me. I'm going to fake this engage. I'm going to fake. Can you stop? Under kiting. Just come. Ready for defensives. You might engage. Okay, I'm gonna fake in 5. I made the fake. Uy, fake yun! GG, why did you drop? Defense. Nice. Kite back. Just kite. Go back northeast. Just go northeast. Kill the right. Kill the ram. Kill this guy. Nice one. Go back northeast. Just go northeast. Go back
Sige,
northeast.
bro.
Stable lang.
Ano, bro lang ano, dalawa kas. Roar. Yan.
Yeah.
Yan na lang, pre.
Okay, hold. GG, ba't kayo nag-engage dun?
No, fake yan, fake yan.
Fake. Okay, we're gonna count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage
Pre,
mo.
naka-delay.
Ay, shit. Okay, sakto.
Sige.
Okay, go back. Just hold. Don't go do it. Don't go do it. Okay? They're looking. Just hold. They might count that. Okay, look at me.
Looking
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. Defense. Nice defense. Okay, come back southeast. Oh my god. Just hold. Stabilize the party. Pati ka boss Kaitan.
Ah,
Just hold, just stabilize. Go back down. Just stabilize. Just stabilize the party.
bomba.
go-
Bigay mo
go-
nga leader kay ano. Kay...
Go east guys, go east. Reposition tayo. Come east. Find me guys, find me. Let's go east.
Lemon, locking sila. Following
Yeah.
sila.
Sige lang. Pa-follow lang natin. Guys, ba't meron ba dyan? Come east. Find me. Reposition tayo.
Fake.
Nag-engage kayo, ano?
Ay, we. GG. Ang layo ko na. Nandiyan pa kayo. Dahil, patay si Roche.
Balik muna kayo.
Buhay pa si Roche. 1 HP. Just stabilize it. Heal rush. Come. Come northwest. Dito tayo sa, taas. Na, dun eh. Come. Just come northwest. Let's just hold there. Let's wait for them. Tala nga dito, guys. Ano kayo palagi sa akin? Saan na sila,
Going
Pas?
sila dito.
Sige. Dito lang tayo. Lalaro tayo sa taas. Hold yun lang muna sila. Okay, just step up. I'm gonna fake. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fake. Okay, nag-defense. Get ready to engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage inside. Engage in front. Okay, go back up. Fill them. Go back up. Up. May nag-engage ba sa fake ko? Nakita ko Miss Piercer dun ah. Just come back up. Let them come. Just come back up, guys. No need to go down. Go up. Why are you down? Go up. Tumaas kayo, guys. Just hold
Si
up.
Bomba pa rin ka lang. Iyan mo si Roar, pre. Ano natin, technically, brawler natin siya, bomba.
May iba kasi mga malalambot natin nasa baba na, boss eh.
Sige
Let's go.
lang, okay lang.
Let's go. Just let them come, guys. Papuntahin nyo sila dito, basket. Gusto ko maglaro dito sa taas. Engage. Hindi. Heal pass.
Engage sa akin, ah.
Yes.
Stabilize
Pero-
na kayo, nag-engage na.
Hindi ba? Sige. Just hold. Okay? Look at me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, never mind. GG. Go. Late na cancel ko. Just go back up. Defense. Just hold. Okay? Go up more. Follow me. Come southwest.
May 50 bus lang.
Okay, no. Ay, di ako makamit, GG. Okay. Just come
Si Bomba
southwest.
na nakabomba din kasi yung leader, bro.
Come southwest. Follow me, guys, southwest.
Okay.
Go southwest.
Bomba na paano?
Hello, southwest. Hello? Come southwest. Let's go down. Okay, I'm going to engage in them. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Andam. Kill this guy. Killer. Nice. Just kill. Defense, spots. Just brawl them here. Brawl. They're very low. Just brawl. Okay, na-stop tayo. Okay. Lock at me. I'm going to engage inside in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage. Big. Okay. Spots. Defense.
Yan. Oh. Please.
Okay, go back north. Stabilize.
Yeah.
Go back north. Hold them. Go back north. Just stabilize. Okay, come up, choke. Taas kayo sa choke. Guys, sa choke. Umakit kayo sa choke. Hello. Come choke. Just let them come. We'll play up here. Let's play this area. Just let them come. Just let them. Nagbe-position sila kasi ating
File nga muna si Roar, pre. Kahit
Okay.
sino.
Dito sila sa, ano yun.
Sige. Gumagalaw ba sila? Naka-mount?
Going na.
Pipingin man na pi.
Dismounted
Okay.
sila. Going na.
Come near me, ano? Stuck on me, Sam. Ay, come with. Okay, fake.
Totoo yan, pre. Totoo yan. Yun yung color.
Ang layo ng DPS niya. GG. Okay, we're gonna counter. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Okay, go back. Just go back. Just go back. Nice build. Okay, let's come up. Just come. Stabilize. Okay, defense. Akala ko fake yung naunang.
Pre,
Layo ng
ayun yung ano, pre. Kailangan mo ma-identify, pre. Yung fake nila is yung...
Yung heavy
Yung maze,
Heavy maze,
pre. Oo.
Okay, come up. Ubus si DPS natin. GG's ulit.
Sorry boys, not today.
Yeah.
Sorry, my bad.
Yan lang. Stabilize mo muna yung party. Antayin mong mag-ano. Heal up yung mga ano.
And idea ba skating kung saan pwede maglaro?
Dito, pwede naman dito, pre. Basta ano, si Roar, pre, huwag ka masyadong lumayo. Basta makapag-pastak.
Uy, Lord, ba't mo yung pinapalo? Kalma mo.
Huwag paluin, no?
Rob.
Huwag mong ano, pre, huwag paluin. Yan.
Napalo. Nakita mo yung basic. Okay, mount.
May mga pod trip naman tayo, kaya sige lang. Tuloy mo lang, pre, kung ano yung setup.
Going na sila, left.
Sige. Okay, dito tayo. Dito. Kamit mo yung southwest.
Southwest boys, southwest. Wala dyan.
Polar yan.
Ay, patay si Roy.
Patay.
Okay, we're gonna counter. Follow me. I'm gonna fake in 5, 4, 3, 2. Fake.
Fake yan.
Fake! What the hell? Come up.
Yan, strap ko na lang.
Just come up. Go up, guys. Go up. Okay, get ready. Engage inside in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage inside now. Nice one. Go back. Defense. Lock. Ako, ubos. Well, GG's ulit tayo niyan, boss.
Ulit. Ano lang.
GG.
Bomba na ibigay mo yung leader kay tawag dito kay Flyway. Tapos Lemon, pre, yung mga pointers mo, pre, dapat from there na-identify mo na kung sino yung caller. So, yung caller nila yung naka-earth rune. Yung fake nila is yung nag-maze.
Hindi mabigay yung party lead, pre, kasi nasa arena tayo.
Ay, hindi pa.
Hindi. Ba't siya naging leader?
Pre.
Bomba na pwede yung mark mo yung color nila. Si Night White.
Sige, wait lang.
Going sila.
Hindi lang. Hindi naman kayo titirahin na hanggat,
Oo.
Okay. Practice.
Lagi, pre. Dito sila, pre, ha.
Saan?
Hindi, pre.
Okay.
Ayan.
Come here.
Regroup na tayo, pre. Kasi papamic ko lang, pre. Regroup muna.
Sige.
Ang pangalan,
Night White, Night White.
Night White.
Ayun, ayun. Kay Bomba na. Na-mark mo na Bomba na. Yun o, si Night. Night White. Ayun o.
Sige, go.
Listen na yung boss, Kas. Uy, minark ng crown, GG! Boss! Atay! Come up. Oh, Mark. Sige, okay na yan. Crown mo na. I-shield mo na lang ako. Bomba na eh. Mark me shield.
Ayos.
Mark me shield. Shield na lang ako. Pinalis mo pa. Okay. Just hold. Just hold.
Aurora, pass.
Okay, I'm gonna fake. Defensive. Nice one.
Nice one. Okay na, pwede ka na mag-initiate, pre. Sige, go.
I am gonna fake it pa. Fake.
Sige, tara. Stop na to, pre. Ayan,
Fake.
mag-initiate ka na.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This guy. Ito yung si Boss Cheese. Longbow yan. Okay, hold. Come back up. Just come. Ayun, may mark na. Defense.
Gaging sila.
Okay, we're gonna continue. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Counter.
Side shield. Nice
ako.
damage.
Nice
Okay
one.
lang.
Just kill. Wait, perma. Just kill the run. Kill the run. Nice one. Kill this guy. Kill Nabi. Okay, kill the healer. Kill. Oh, no. Okay, we're gonna engage again. 5,
Walking
4,
tank.
3. Cancel. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Di ba sila nag-GG?
Tuloy mo lang. Uy, agad mo lang, JJ.
Kill the healer. Kill siya. GG, okay lang.
Looking
Go
yung tank nila. Full stack.
Get ready for defense. They're looking. Defense. Nice. Okay, come in. Look at me. I'm going to inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside now. Oh, nice one. Just kill. Okay, come back down. They have engaged. They're looking. Spread. They're looking, guys. Spread. Sikip pero mag-spread kayo. Okay, they're looking. Defense. Ano, naka-fake ako. Dahil.
Ayun na, nag-initiate na yung ano nila.
Okay, we're gonna counter. 5,
Huli.
4, 3, 2, 1. Deep.
Pepe, yung mana pick. Nice. Thank you.
Okay. Come back down. Pababay natin sila. Pa-heal kay Rosh. Baba. Okay, come up here. Go northwest. Come northwest. Pa-heal kay Kas. Okay, just come northwest. Just come northwest. Go up northwest. Papuntahin natin sila dito. Just go up.
Pana, maingi.
Okay? Just look. Let them come. Wait. Just hold. Okay, look at the realm. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look at me na. Defense. Pat everything. Just defense. Nice one. Okay, we're going to get in. No, CD6. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep.
Saan ang DPS?
Wala.
Papabalikin mo
Okay,
muna yung ano.
go up. Mali ata bilang ko. Go up.
Pa-stabilize mo muna.
Stabilize.
Looking yung tank.
Just stabilize. Okay, kill this arcane, guys. Kill the arcane. Okay, defense. Pat. Shield them. Nice one. Okay, we're gonna counter in 5, 4. Go deep. 3, 2, 1. On me now. Nice. Okay. Just kill this guy. Kill Crimson. Nice, nice. Go down, kite down, kite southwest, kite southwest. They're gonna go engage, they're gonna go for engage. Just come southwest. Come southwest and go up again. Let's fight them here, let's fight them in our territory. Just go up here, just go up here.
Ay, tulad Lemon na 9 seconds.
Just go up, go back. Find ako guys, look at the raman. Asan ako? Just hold. Go up. Just go up here. Go up northwest. Stay away from there. Just stay away from there. Go up northwest. Just come northwest. Just come up here. Come here and spread a bit. Ako mag-dip eh. Just hold. They're looking. Yeah. Okay, they're going to each other. Okay. Defense. Nice. Okay, we're gonna counter in 5, 4. Cancel. 3. Ay, never mind. Okay, look at me. Just look. Just walk in. Look inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside down. Nice one. Okay, come back down. And just brawl them. Just
Looking
get
yan,
spread in gold. Okay, defense. Spots. Okay. Hold 5 seconds. Just brawl them. Okay, look inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside down. Dakan. Okay, go back. Stabilize. Ano P?
Matagal yung CD ko, pre.
Ba't nakaano ka pala? Druid count. Di ka naka-assassin hood, kaya palang bagal ng CD mo, GG.
Sabi.
Di ko napansin.
Balik.
Okay, come back down. Come back here and mount up. We'll reposition
Yung
this.
mapag-mount pre.
Oh, just come. Ate, 8 out ka eh. Come in the middle. Go in the middle.
Loko sila. Kas.
Uy, nag-miss.
GG, pre,
Nag-disengage.
nag-mount up.
Tara na, pwede ka na dito, uy. Flyway. 5 seconds
smart.
ka tuloy. Sige lang.
Yeah.
Sa stop ko sila, pre, ah. Ayan, ah. Oh, picture mo to. Ayan.
4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. Ay, di pa ba yun? Sorry, pre.
Yung timing ng GAU, di ba? Ah, sige.
Oo. Akala ko yun na yung timing eh. My bad.
Pre.
Oh, come back. Hold.
Totoo
Okay,
lang,
defense.
pre, oh.
Kain ko yung shaper ah. Just go down. Go down guys, go down. Sorry.
Balik ka ng konti.
Di ko pa natatime yung GA. Ilan ba ano na yan? 3 seconds? Fight, defense. Just hold.
Looking tank nila, looking.
Spread.
Di ba ma... Sige.
Okay. Heal. Stabilize. They're looking defense. They miss.
Go muna, pre.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside now.
Nice.
Okay, let's go back down. Ano na yan eh? Work camp. Go back. Just come. We'll reposition. Come back down. Just come down. Baba na kayo, pre. No need to hold.
Mag-initiate na sila na. Baba. Yan.
Baba lang. Dito tayo sa baba.
Papalit ata yung color nila ng weapon. Kung makita. Palit kanina yun, mate.
Sige lang. May maze ba? Okay, mount up. Punta tayo sa middle. Happy, lakad ka na sa middle. Go middle guys, Sa middle tayo maglalakad. Palit
Wala
natin
silang RB nag-miss yung RB nila. Nag-engage sa akin.
Sige.
Alam mo,
Kakagolem pa rin sa night.
Following sila sa akin. Backline nila yan nasa backline kayo.
Bal pumanik dito, pre. Kailangan umikot. Okay, go.
Nag-miss ulit yung engage.
Engage dyan kayo dyan. Okay. Wala kasi mount lahat.
Cut, sali kayo. Ala na.
Uy, patay si Kas. Let them come. Laro tayo dito.
Bawal tumagos dito kasi. Ayan. Okay, go.
Nag-engage na sila kay Kas, di ba?
Ay, wala na yan, pre. 15 seconds.
Okay, look. Arbin, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. At the root ba? At
Wala.
the break.
Okay.
Okay. Patay pa to. Just back. Just right back. Just right back. Hold on. They're looking. Defense.
Sige, naka-ano ko. Net armor ako. Here you go.
Right. Okay, we're gonna counter. Tagal mo, ano ni Ping. Okay, look at me inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No. It is. Kill boss cheese. Just kill. Just kill them. Just kill this guy. Okay, defense. Nice defense.
Tara, review
Naubos
tayo, pre.
na.
Tara, ubos na yung oras. Tara, review. Tara. Mukhang okay na ano yan.